In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop servicing video editing website in WordPress. By the end, you'll have the foundation for a clean, professional site where clients can place orders for video editing services and you can accept payments with confidence. First, open your WordPress website and head to your dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage everything. Before we do any design work, let's make sure your store functionality is ready. We're going to use WooCommerce, which turns your site into a simple storefront for service orders. Go to Plugins in the left menu, choose Add New, search for WooCommerce, then install and activate it. If it's already installed, great. Just make sure it's active so you can use its settings for checkout and payments. Now let's set the look and feel. In the left menu, click Appearance, then Theme. Here, search for Ocean WP. It's a fast, flexible theme that works well for service-based sites and gives you a professional layout without a lot of bloat. Install Ocean WP and click Activate. Once it's active, you'll notice your site instantly takes on a cleaner structure. With the theme activated, feel free to customize the essentials so your drop servicing brand feels clear and trustworthy. Head to the Customize area under Appearance and update your site title, logo, and brand colors. Make your homepage concise and benefit-focused. Think a simple headline about video editing services, a short description of what you offer, and a clear call to action that leads to checkout or contact. You can also adjust typography for readability and tweak header and footer settings so your navigation is straightforward. Keep it simple. Clarity converts. Next, let's connect payments so clients can pay securely. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click the Payments tab. You'll see available methods like credit card processors and digital wallets. Choose the method you prefer, enable it, and follow the on-screen setup prompts. Many gateways offer test mode. Use that while you're getting things ready so you can safely preview the checkout experience before going live. Make sure the currency and business details match your location and keep descriptions clear so customers know exactly what they're paying for. That's all you need to get the backbone of your drop servicing video editing website running. You've opened WordPress, installed WooCommerce, set up the Ocean WP theme, customized your design, and enabled payments. Save your changes, preview the site, and you're ready to start accepting orders.